Hey, what's happening? It's your boy Johnny, aka the SPILT Inc., the one and only. And I'm making this video today because I'm going to make a painting for my dear friend Basti in Berlin. And this is a very special painting because this painting is for his father and it's going to be a Christmas present. And I'm going to paint a picture of Basti's father's favorite dog. This dog is, I guess, this man's pride and joy. And I understand that. I understand how much you can love an animal because I have a cat and I love my cat so much. Jaja, where are you? She's over there. Anyway, I love animals and I understand how much his father loves his dog. So I'm going to put a lot of love and a lot of special attention and care into this painting. And I hope his father likes it as much as I love painting it for him. So without further ado, I'm going to take this painting and I'm going to make it into... Boom! There we go. Yes, that's the painting. I hope that worked. Anyway, yes, this is the painting of the dog, the fantastic dog. I love this. It's painted in my POPSICK style. My POPSICK style is a combination of portraiture, graffiti, and comic book artwork all put together. It's my style. I've been doing it for ages. If you're interested, DM me, send me a message, and Basti, Merry Christmas to you, your father, your dog, and your whole family. Thank you very much, and yeah, see you guys soon. Peace.